Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Final Fantasy VII Remake Intergrade crashing or not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing, black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check system requirements of the games. For that, go to the Steam and then search for the game in the store option and then go below, and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. Make sure your PC have all the required specs, and after that try to play the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, move to the next method. Next method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Now under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to play the game and check whether it's working. If not, again come back, type -d3 d11 and then try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. Come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next method is to verify integrity of game file. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. Now once the game files is verified, try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to update graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once the graphics drivers are updated, now try to play the game and check whether it's working or not. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to run game as administrator. For that, go to Steam, select your game, under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Now select the game application, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility and select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, click on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If not, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then try to play the game and check whether it's working or not. If the issue still occurs, come back, uncheck all of these, click on apply and OK and then move to the next method. Next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search over here, search for Windows security. Now click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings. Now after that, here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If not, click on allow another app, click on browse. Now click on the go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, select it, make sure both public and private boxes are ticked and click on OK, and after that try to play the game and check whether it's working. If not, next is to check graphics settings of the game. So when your graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid the unwanted issue. Next method is to stop overclock CPU and GPU settings. So sometimes overclocking makes the CPU or GPU unstable. So you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. This will help you to fix the issue. Next method is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on in-game and here you will find enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once disabled, launch the game and check. Same for GeForce Experience users. Open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and here switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab and switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser, or even you can search for Visual C++ files on Google. Now once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link and after it gets downloaded, open it. Now you will get repair or install option. Click on repair option and wait for some time unless you get setup successful message. Now click on the close option and after that restart your PC once. After restarting, again log into the game and check whether you can play it. If not, next method is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates, and if there is any update available, update your Windows to the latest version and then try to play the game and check. If not, next is to disable antivirus program or firewall. So if you are having an antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. So what you need to do is just go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on virus and threat protection, go below, click on manage settings, and here you have to turn off real-time protection. After turning off, again go to the Windows search for Windows. Now go to the Windows search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and here you have to select turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both public and private network settings. Then click on OK and launch the game and check. But later on, again make sure to enable the private network settings and public network settings, and then click on OK, and after that check whether everything is working fine. If not, next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add desktop app, then go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, click on the arrow icon. Now under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Final Fantasy VII Remake Intergrade game. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game. Now right click on it, click on prop manage, then click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your system. After that, restart your PC once your PC restarts. Now launch Steam and again reinstall Final Fantasy VII Remake Intergrade game once again, and click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.